Saint Veronica, or Bernice, the woman with the issue of blood, commemorated on July 12th. The account of the woman with an issue of blood, who had the unusual name of Veronica, may be found in the Gospel according to St. Matthew 9:20-22, in St. Mark's Gospel 5:25-34, and also in St. Luke's Gospel 8:43-49. The Synaxarists of St. Nicodemus of the Holy Mountain states that this saint was from the city of Paniata. When the Lord healed her issue of blood, she was very grateful, because for 12 years she had suffered much under many physicians, and had spent all that she had, and nothing had helped, but instead she became worse. Mark 5:26. She had heard of Christ and decided to go to him, believing that she would be healed merely by touching his garment. When she did this, the Savior felt that power had gone forth from him. Turning to the crowd, he asked who had touched his garment. His disciples were puzzled by the question, since many people were pressing him on all sides. Saint Veronica came forward and fell down before him in fear and trembling, and admitted what she had done. The Lord said, "Daughter, your faith has made you well. Go in peace and be healed of your affliction." Mark 5:34. In her gratitude, she made a statue of him and placed it in front of her house, where everyone could venerate it. A healing plant grew at the base of the statue, which was able to cure various diseases. Later, Saint Veronica became a member of the early church. After living a life of holiness, she surrendered her soul to God.
Ave Maria Stella